Oh, hey! Thank you for tuning in. My name is Janelle. Today I bring to you this colorful halo braid. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that button and bell to always get that upload notification. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. I will be using 3 crown paint colors and 2 from Gemini Naturals. Grabbing the neon orange, which is called Oranginal from Crown Paint Colors, I will be applying that to my freshly detangled hair. Now, you will see me placing it strategically in different parts of my hair, and that is because I will be braiding it. Since I am braiding, I do not need the entire section to be a specific color, but I want it shown throughout the braid. So to do just that, I am skipping one section of hair in between since I will be using a different color. Now, this is a cream-based temporary color paint. Check out the links up top for my review and previous tutorials on this brand. What I do on one side, you will see me doing the same on the other side. Now going in with the color Ocean by Gemini Naturals, a vegan temporary color gel, I will be adding it to different parts of my hair as well. I also have various videos using this specific brand on my channel, so make sure that you check out the links I've listed below. I've never tried wax paint and I doubt that I will. Both of these brands offer an array of vibrant colors that makes for creating bomb looks. They both come out with water and it doesn't transfer too much or leave your hair feeling extra dry. With that said, have you ever tried temporary hair color yet? Do you have a favorite brand? What was your experience like? At this point, I'm just admiring my hair like this because I really did love it. And I even contemplating leaving it, but this was not my vision. So let's just get to braiding. Now, when it comes to braiding my hair, not only was I careful, but I also wanted to make sure that I took my time and even added color to make sure that there was color within each braid. So for instance, as you see here, I stopped braiding and I'm just going to add a little bit more color to make sure that the color really shines through within each braid. My hair is really my canvas, and I love using it as a form of expression. Now, as you will see in just a bit, my hair started to dry up towards the ends, which is why it doesn't look as fresh, but that was expected. Now, if I could redo this style, I would make sure that I spritz my hair with water and detangle it with a brush to get it nice and smooth without any frizz before braiding it down. But I knew that I would be pinning it up with a bobby pin, and not only that, I wasn't going for perfection. So I will be now braiding the other side of my hair and just repeating the same steps. As I braid, adding more color to it just to give it that extra pop. And that's about it. Literally just going with how I felt and having fun with it. At this point, I am just getting a mental vision of how the final look would come out. But let's just get to these final results already, shall we? Okay, let's do this. And here we are. I bobby pinned my hair down, cleaned up the color on my skin, laid my edges with some gel, and boom. This is what we have. I really love how it came out. It's colorful, it's pinned up, it looks different. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to create your own. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Positive vibes always.